This came just in time. Stay tuned at Zachary 3D Prints to find out why. Hello, this is Zachary from Zachary 3D Prints. As I mentioned in the intro, this came just in time. Why? Because today when I was 3D printing, I'm still 3D printing for the parts for the InMove robot, my print bed, my magnetic print bed just gave loose. There are some little parts in the middle of the magnetic bed that, where is the part now? Here. That came loose. When you saw one of my other videos, I tend to do like this to just rip the plastic part of the print bed. I don't know if it is good or not, but the solution just came in time. You already can guess what it is. It's the glass print bed. I'm going to open it right now. We take the spatula. I hope it's not broken. That would be terrible, or a big nightmare, as you can say. So these things are not that expensive, but it will give you a lot of ease with 3D printing. As you can see, it's great packed inside of this box. And bang, here we have it. The glass print bed from Creality. I will leave it on because my print is almost finished. So that would be amazing to start with the attachment on there. The glass bed of Creality has some nice things that you also might want to have. For example, prints will come off after the glass bed is cooling down. So no more with the spatula. Also, I don't need to do this anymore, that's no use. But before I can install it, I need to wait until my print is finished. So we are not going to wait for that. So the print is ready, and now we are going to slap this glass bed onto the Ender 3. Just remove this. Like that. But now we need to level the bed again. The glass bed is a bit higher than this. So I have put on the glass plate on the Ender 3 Pro. I did want to level the bed, but the thing is, the glass plate is that big that when I'm going to use the knobs or the dials, it's not working because I was that low that I couldn't do anything else. So one extra tip: when you're going to use the glass bed, put the end stop a little bit higher. It should be something like 3-4 millimeters higher, and then just use the dials to level your bed a little finer, just so fine tuning. that was it for today's video. The installation of the glass bed of Creality. It's a great plate and I need to find out how it's going to work in the future. That being said, thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Zachary 3D Prints. See you next time. Bye bye.